As we're talking to folks today that are looking to deploy agentic AI, and I'm seeing this with lots of different integrations, whether it's integrations with Microsoft or Salesforce or some of our larger, software platforms out there, folks are really looking for the value proposition of getting that autonomous agent that could really, replace some staff for some functions, right? Or at least augment staff for different functions. But what I'm finding that a lot of folks don't recognize is that the agents themselves are autonomous. And I regularly have, CISOs and other technology leaders, CIOs, CTOs, what have you, come talk to me and say, Jake, we want an agent with lots of control. And that's where I have to say, my friend, the thing that makes an agent is autonomous action. And when we talk about autonomous action and control, those literally are two sides of a scale, right, that are being balanced. And so we have to then, what I challenge business leaders on is say, I have to then have you define how much autonomy risk you're willing to take. Because as you do that, right, that necessarily is setting the amount of control that I can put in place. And so I will share with you that when we have those, I like to call them adult discussions about risk, particularly around autonomy risk, typically that's where stuff starts getting descoped. So originally I had this grand plan of all these things we were going to do. And then it comes down to, it's not a big grand plan anymore. It's this, and this. We still have massive efficiency gains. Oftentimes double-digit percentage efficiency gains. It's just not fully autonomous, right? Because again, the risk profile is just too high for the vast majority of our clients.